And so while we're looking at upgrades, what did you put on the ute the other day, Ort?
Mirrors, pull out towing mirrors.
They're the Tuff Terrain ones we've put on.
They work pretty well too, actually. I can see a lot more behind me.
So no more arguing with up, down, in, out, too far, not enough.
Yeah, you're redundant.
Would you like to adjust the mirrors now? Just push the window down.
In,
Out.
out,
Up.
Up.
In. Up. Straighten it up. No, wrong way. You're doing the opposite. The mirror. Right, so
well, how can I put it up if you want it level?
Yep, sorry, down, but yep, now, tip the whole thing up. Yep. Right. Up a bit. That might be right.
So we've actually been quite busy, haven't we?
Yes.
Because the Isuzu got some new feet the other day. We've put some all-terrains, Toyo,
Yep.
I think they're pronounced.
Yep, Toyo all-terrains, yep.
Yep, and very excited. And the caravan goes in this week to get its new tyres.
Yeah.
So we're slowly getting ready for our inaugural little practice trip down at Tassie for 5 weeks.
It looks like we've already been through the gunshot track, but believe me, that's just our driveway.
Okie doke, so this is the battery, the AGM. How much have we got on, what is that, 100 or something?
I think it's 120.
120
I think.
AGM.
Can't remember.
And that's all that's under the sink, under the sofa. Anyway, that's it. And it's about to go down in the shop and get a big lithium battery.
And inverter.
Yes, an inverter. Okay, moment of truth. Just picked up the caravan from JGM Direct. And this is it. 200 amp lithium, 3000 watt inverter, Invicta charger, and gone with the Victron monitor. Happy days.
I'm going to plug the power in now, right?
All the money you'll save instead of buying coffees. The power's on and
Yep.
that came on straight away.
Oh, that's battery charger.
Okay, so that's 13.4 volts.
So therefore that should tell you on there, should tell you on that how much power's coming in. %. 13.64. .4 amps. Is that what would be going in, or is that what? Yeah, no, that could be right.
I have to get the book out. 524 watts.
There's a display on the front of it, but yeah, I don't think you can be able to read it. Can't get down low enough to read it. Is that there?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, you might be able to see it with
Read
that.
it later.
Yeah.
Yeah, because otherwise
So this is turned off now.
it is.
Yep. Because
Okay.
there's a switch there. Manual switch there.
Okay. So, oh yeah, well, that's quite clearly on and off.
Yeah.
You know that. Yep. Wow. Holy dooly. Well, that was good he put that up there.
Yeah. That's the DC. Is that the DC? Yeah, DC. Okay. Pretty neat and tidy, isn't it?
It is. Happy days. Okay, so a couple of weeks ago we got the Catch Can installed into the Isuzu. It's a, I don't know if you can see it, Provent 200. It's supposed to be smicky dark. It's got a filter and everything, so we were excited about getting that done, and ever since we have had nothing but dramas. We've got all these codes coming up: the mill light, malfunction engine light, the electronic stability control light, and now the auto transmission warning light. So we've lost the revision camera on the revision mirror, and also you've got to hit the shift lock to take it out of park these days. So anyway, we had RACQ out and they got the code and then cleared it for us, and so now I've got to take it to the centre. So that's the shift lock button I was talking about. We need to get it out of park. So anywho, we've spent all this money on the ute and the van and feel like we can't use anything just yet, but it can get better. The battery's charged in the caravan. We've got that full. I've got the app on the phone now, and we turned the fridge on to make sure that that was working on power, and it is. So that's something else we don't have to think about. Anyway, the battery's sitting at 100% by the looks of it. Hopefully we can go get the ute sorted out now, and we'll be away to Imbil on Tuesday. See you then. Cheers, biggies. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so we are finally on the road after last week. So everything seems sorted, so that's all good. So we're going to go and stay at a free park and try out our new system at Widgie, and then we'll head off to Imbil tomorrow and meet up with one of our sons and his lovely wife and our little grandies, and we'll stay there for the rest of the week. So we'll be on a powered site at Imbil at Barumba Deer Farm. Deer Park rather. We've stayed there heaps of times over the years, and we had booked that well before we had even booked the lithium system in the caravan. So anyway, we'll see how it goes. We'll let you know. See you at Widgie. Cheers, big ears.
Same guys.